What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in today's video we are going to look at the command hostnamectl. So in Red Hat systems from Red Hat 7, they started using this keyword ctl, which stands for like control, and you will see this a lot, mostly with like systemctl that we will cover in the future videos. But system control will help you start or stop services or check the status of them. So anything with CTL is basically like control. So when I write hostname CTL, what I'm doing is I'm saying there's a command hostname control that can do various things for you. So to give you an example of whatever we can do, let's go to the man page and see what this command does. So it says control the system hostname, which is pretty easy to understand. You are changing the hostname of the system you connect to. But why is there so much information in this page? Well, because not only can you change your host name, you can also set a lot of details that can help you identify this server. So one of the details you can put is set chassis. Chassis, for guys who don't know about this, it's like a server term. When you work in infrastructure, you will come across this a lot. It's like group of switches, group of servers all together in one machine, which means that the same machine is getting all the power. You can set the chassis and it gives you like examples. Then we have deployment to tell which environment this system belongs to. Can be development, integration, staging, production. You can also set the location where you can put in like a generic location like any city name, or you can put left rack, second shelf, or rack unit number 43, like anything you want. And you can set all of these using hostnamectl. You can also set icon name. So there's a lot of things you can do, but the most important one is called set hostname. So if I do a hostname control and then just hit enter, it is going to give me the like details about this hostname. So it is telling me I have Red Hat 8.4, I have a development server which is a VM in London, there's machine ID and boot ID, CPE, OS name. So a lot of information, but the most important thing we need to focus on is this hostname control set -hostname, and then you put the hostname that you want. So suppose I will put Vishu's, not actually like this, Vishu server, and hit enter. It is not going to take the change right now. You have to reboot the system. But like you set the hostname, you can also set the location to maybe Chicago, and similarly you can also set the environment like staging, and all of this, actually this should be deployment. I have a typo, so deployment, and it is going to set it. I'm going to reboot this and resume the video when it comes back up, and you will see the changes right over here. So let's click on OK. This will close this. Welcome back guys. So luckily I was able to restart the session over here. So we have some context of what is going to be changed. So if I do a hostnamectl now, you can see that the hostname has already changed from SavageCamp to Vishu server. And if I do this, you will see a big difference over here. The first thing is static hostname has been changed. The deployment is also changed from development. The location has also changed. So this was like a quick video on this hostname control command. And if you want to do, I would like suggest change the hostname when you get in. I think it's one of the most basic tasks that you should do. And let me know if you have any issues, and I will see you guys in the next video.